Imagine a digital record of transactions, shared across countless computers, each one verifying and updating the information in real time. This is blockchain, a revolutionary technology transforming how we exchange value and information, making processes faster, more efficient, and incredibly secure. Like a traditional ledger, blockchain securely tracks transactions, but it does so with a level of accuracy and reliability that is unparalleled. However, blockchain's power lies in its decentralized and transparent nature, meaning no single entity controls the data and everyone can see the same information. This shared, tamper-proof system ensures trust and security like never before, making it nearly impossible for anyone to alter the records without detection. It's like a global digital notary public, verifying and securing every transaction, ensuring that all parties involved can trust the integrity of the data. This technology is poised to revolutionize various industries, from finance to healthcare, by providing a secure, transparent, and efficient way to manage and verify transactions and data. Blockchain achieves its security through a network of interconnected blocks. Each block contains a record of transactions, linked chronologically. This chain of blocks is constantly growing as new transactions occur. These blocks are distributed across a vast network of computers. This decentralized structure makes blockchain incredibly resilient. No single entity controls the network, making it resistant to hacking and manipulation. Blockchain's impact is already being felt. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have captured global attention. These digital currencies use blockchain to enable secure, transparent transactions without intermediaries. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements written into code, represent another exciting application. Imagine automating complex agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing the risk of disputes. Blockchain is also being explored in supply chain management, voting systems, and more. The promise of blockchain. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we think about data security and transparency. Blockchain offers numerous benefits over traditional systems. Security is paramount. By using cryptographic techniques, blockchain ensures that data is secure and tamper-proof. With its decentralized and encrypted nature, blockchain provides a high level of protection against fraud and data breaches. Each transaction is verified by multiple nodes, making it nearly impossible to alter the data without detection. Transparency is another key advantage. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, which can be viewed by anyone with access to the network. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, accessible to anyone on the network. This openness ensures that all participants can verify and audit transactions independently. This transparency fosters trust and accountability. Businesses and individuals can engage in transactions with confidence, knowing that the blockchain provides an immutable record. Blockchain empowers users by eliminating the need for intermediaries. This means that transactions can be conducted directly between parties, reducing the time and cost associated with traditional methods. This decentralization reduces costs, increases efficiency, and gives individuals more control over their data and assets. By removing the middleman, blockchain technology democratizes access to financial services and digital assets, making it a powerful tool for innovation and inclusion. Embracing the future. While blockchain holds immense promise, challenges remain. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform industries, from finance to supply chain management. Scalability and regulatory uncertainty are hurdles that need to be addressed. These issues are critical as they determine how effectively blockchain can be integrated into existing systems. However, the potential benefits far outweigh the challenges. Blockchain can enhance security, reduce fraud, and streamline operations, making it a game changer for businesses and governments alike. Blockchain is not just a technology, it's a paradigm shift. It represents a new way of thinking about data, transactions, and trust. It's about empowering individuals, fostering trust, and creating a more transparent and equitable world. By decentralizing control, blockchain gives power back to the people. The time to explore blockchain is now. As the technology matures, opportunities for innovation and growth are boundless. Educate yourself, engage with the community, and be a part of this exciting technological revolution. Join the movement and help shape the future with blockchain technology.